Alright guys, today we've got a sparring session with Milan. Milan is a brown belt and he's someone I get some really good rounds with, so this should be a good one. I'm gonna give you guys some commentary while we go through the round and explain what I'm seeing and what I'm doing. And let's start with the round here. I'm trying to go for K-guard, but you see that he's grabbing my pants, which prevents me from inserting my knee under his knee. So I rolled through to counter, to reverse the La Riva, then placing a sticky hook, which makes me very connected to him and opens up attacks, for example here to backside 50-50, which I really like. I can use it here to set up ankle locks, sweeps and back takes. In this case I will take the sweep. In the next example you will see here a coyote half guard, and I'm making again a sticky hook behind the knee pit of Milan. I love to use it when they try to backstab. This is such an easy counter. I guide him further. He tries to go for saddle by reaching behind my knee pit, but I counter with a roll through to expose the back. It fails. I come on top anyways. And now I'm trying to keep his posture broken by pushing on the collar. And that opens up a really nice pass over the knee, which I will do here. I will just jump over the knee, over the shoulder, and there in reverse once again, and ending up in a nice side control with a crossface. Now in the next example, you're gonna see me use that exact same grip on the straight collar. With that grip, I can push him down, create back exposure, and then by jumping over, take his back. But in the next few seconds, you will see Milan is doing a great job by trying to slip his hips away from me. I'm trying to lift and get my hook in over the arm right there, but he's blocking and turning away from me, which is smart. So now he escaped the back mount and he's back to playing his open guard. I'm trying a gator roll, which fails. He almost takes my back, but I could turtle, remove the hook out of the hip. Almost turtle. Now he's attacking on the arm. And here, right here, I'm pushing his knee pit away to make space for my elbow to turn. Then my foot takes over. I kick myself further and I come to this standing position. I'm not yet safe from the knee bar until I slip my knee out of his hip line and stripping his feet. Now I really love this passing position where I get shin to shin, where I can work my leg pommels, extend this leg away from me, and then trying a knee slice or the forced 3/4 mount, going for high body lock passes. He's extending his leg. I'm trying to get to this knee slice, but he chooses to go to half guard. I now block his pants and I go to this leg weave position, and he gives up the back to prevent not getting his guard passed. I'm trying to go underneath, keeping that back exposed, controlling the wrist, pinning him on his shoulder. And now here I make a bit of a mistake by going for that arm bar, but he came up. I did not have enough control there. He spins all the way through. I keep rolling, I keep turtling to get him in my guard. And that was it.